I don't even know where to start because it's been so long. Like, how do I introduce myself after being away from YouTube for so long? How? Anyways, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. You probably clicked this video because you're interested in learning more about this amazing holiday hairstyle. It's so beautiful, right? And I'm so excited to go through everything with you. In this video, we started off with an inspiration picture that I found on Pinterest, and we basically add our own pizzazz. We had some trial and errors in the video, but this is what we came up with, and I personally think it's bomb. So throughout this video, we'll be doing our holiday hairstyle as well as a little demo review on the famous Coconut and Hibiscus line by SheaMoisture. We're starting off with freshly washed hair. I use the Curl and Shine shampoo. To be honest, I don't use shampoos a lot. I probably shampoo my hair once a month just because I co-wash like every 3 days, so I don't need to shampoo as often, but I do every now and again whenever I feel like, you know, I have a lot of buildup, or whenever I do like a hot oil treatment. And for conditioner, I use the Curl and Shine conditioner. This thing right here is like a deep conditioner in a bottle, literally. It is like, look, it won't even fall down because it's so thick. I left it in my hair for like 5 to 10 minutes so that it could really penetrate my strands and give me as much moisture. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could get probably 10 uses out of this conditioner, which is not bad at all. Let's jump into the hairstyle. That's what you're here for, right? I know. Let me pull it up real quick. This is the inspiration behind the hairstyle that we will be doing today. So of course, we're gonna add our own sauce, you know? I like to distribute my styling products on soaking wet hair. It's just easier to do it that way, and I have like little to no breakage when I do it that way. I feel like almost every curly girl on YouTube love this product, so I'm excited to try it. The Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Yeah, the consistency is very thick. I'm used to like slightly liquidy leave-in conditioners. I'll distribute a little bit of it because I don't want to go too crazy and then my hair ends up being oily or flat. I feel a little bit will take me a long way. Always remember them ends. Not forget the ends. In the reference photo, her braids came all the way down here. I don't want that. I want it to like stop over here. Alright, so by now you should have a square in the front middle section of your head. It should look like this. Since I'm doing braids, I want to try some of the Curl and Shine Moisture Mist. Notice I'm mainly putting it on the roots because I want to ensure that my scalp's moisturized. From now onwards, what we're going to do is have one braid going this way and the other braid going the other side, and the other side, and the other side. Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Now that we're done, let's move on to styling our curls and playing with some more of the products. Like I said earlier, whenever I'm styling my hair, I like to apply my product on wet, dripping hair. So let's go back in with the spray bottle and get my hair soaking wet. I'm just gonna comb through it so I could take out all the knots. I'm gonna go in with some more of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm also going to pair it with the frizz-free curl mousse. I hardly ever use a mousse, but we're gonna put it to the test today. I'm gonna get a little bit more to target the back here, this area, because it gets dry really easily. Wow, my curls look really defined though. You see that? It looks, compared to this, Oh my gosh, I just hope this works. I feel like I'm literally going in with the product. This is a trick that I always do because it speeds up my air dry process. So like if I would go and air dry with my hair dripping, it would take me probably 5 times longer. Ooh, the curls look so good. All right, so now all I gotta do is literally wait and hope for the best. So I'll see you in about an hour's time. So deuces while I jump out to go and air dry my hair. It's been 45 minutes now. My hair is completely dried. It's voluminous. The curls are defined. They're fluffy, they're soft, they're bouncy. What I'm thinking is that maybe I could twist the plaits and do the other side. And then once I've done that, connect it at the back and leave the braids to hang in the back. So it'll still be the crown effect.
Big up everybody where I work for them. One money.
Let me take out my curls. I got silver and gold thread because I wanted to wrap it inside the braids, but I realized that I got the wrong weave-in needle, so I almost didn't bring this up to you. This idea came to me where I could probably use a bobby pin to weave the thread throughout the braids. So here's what I did. I put the thread into the bobby pin, and now using the hoop side, we're gonna try and weave it into the braids. So wish me luck, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, look at God. I literally went inside the bathroom and I was like, this looks nothing like the inspiration. Not that it had to, but you know, I wanted us to add our own sauce to it. And I was like, where's the sauce, Joy? Where's the sauce? Where there's a will, there's a way. I'm gonna tie a knot. Yes. There we go. Almost there. I'm not tell who fear from who care. And there is nothing that the dogs them fear. If you cross the line, then you're gonna disappear. This is real life and not truth or dare. You could get brushed. Yes! It gives you that holiday vibe, that holiday spirit, you know? And that's what I wanted. This is the final look. I am ready for a holiday party. Somebody send me an invite. Just kidding. Looking at it in the mirror right now, I think you could wear this out like this. Or if you want, you could pull it up. Oh my gosh. Yes, I like that. This is the finished results to our holiday hairstyle, which I am obsessed with. In regards to the products that we use, everything is from SheaMoisture, specifically their coconut and hibiscus line. This was my first time experimenting with the line, and as y'all see throughout the video, the results are pretty awesome, but I'm just gonna go in depth a little bit more. First, I started off with the shampoo. I don't really use shampoos a lot, so like if you want it, you could get it. The conditioner, on the other hand, is definitely worth purchasing. I love the consistency. It's thick, super thick. It's rich. It reminds me a lot of like a deep conditioner or a mask. I left it in for about 10 minutes and then washed it out, and my hair felt super moisturized. My curls were very easy to detangle as well. So this is a keeper. I will continue using this. And on to the famous curl enhancing smoothie that every YouTuber, every Instagram girl, every curly girl in general uses. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of scared in the beginning because I wasn't sure what was going to happen. I'm always scared with leave-in conditioners that are like this one because they're really thick. Anywho's, I went in with it. My curls are beautiful. They're defined, moisturized, frizz-free. I love them. I love them. She's a winner. The rave, the hype, it's true. It's worth it. Next, we have the frizz-free mousse. I liked it because it really clumped my curls together once I used the curl enhancing smoothie. Normally, I use 3 products in my wash and goes. I use a leave-in conditioner, a curl activator or a cream, and then something that's gonna freeze or clump my curls into place. And normally that product is a gel. This mousse did exactly that for me, and I'm really happy that using 2 products I was able to achieve these results. Regards to the mist, I feel like I have coconut oil home. I have all different kinds of oil, so this one isn't something that I would actually spend my money on just because other kinds of oils isn't hard to find. It's the product ingredients I believe are self-explanatory. Coconut hibiscus. It also has neem oil in it, and I also wanted to add that all of SheaMoisture's products are cruelty-free, which is a plus. That is definitely a plus. Also, they can be found at Target stores everywhere in the US. I've been sleeping on the coconut and hibiscus line. Anyways, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I'm really glad that you tuned in today. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much, and please give me a thumbs up because we put in work today. We had an inspiration image and we went with it and we turned it into something amazing. You know, we did that. And also because right now, as I'm recording this video, it's 12:50 a.m. in the morning, the 20th of November, which happens to be my birthday. So give me a thumbs up. I turned 24 today. Y'all get old. Thank you so much for the love and support. If you're new, please subscribe because there's a lot of content coming your way that I doubt you'll want to miss. Other than that, I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's.